that was your phone, and grab BBC Parliament House. Emma Ghanafuo be brave, including the parliamentarians in Wilfu. Honorable Yali Ayamba, Eddie Sembi Etuja Efa, Nkola, Omukope Ejuma, and drag a work sports stadium, Omasha, Omaquensha, Ewo, a home. Abusia, or the Sembi Etuja, Emma Ghanafuo be brave. Na question me bra go for be brave bisane se wo anka ni back no ho a obetuma bie na no aka ansam we aka kire awofo se oh me ba ko peduma and na juma na me ba ko akopen and wako because the government couldn't put measures in place to protect these people because mind you in Kolawe register and I said they apply online. Who said they know the number of people now who said they have to represent yesterday. Member of parliament in some way seeing who are wanting the country I will want to say that day yesterday was their day and say and see, I will be quite a president in the crown a bahon crown because I am winter or be the same way no kind.
But I want us to all take solace in the Almighty Allah. There is nothing that happens that doesn't happen at the right time. This is what the Almighty Allah has ordained for them. Today is their day. No matter how, no matter what, no matter who was there, as what, even if we brought all the presidents of the world to sit there as ministers or whatsoever, once today is ordained for them to die, they will. And this is what has happened. Unless you don't believe in the oneness of God, unless you don't believe in the oneness of the Almighty Allah, it is not anybody who wanted them to die. There is no single officer there who wanted even one single soul to pass.
Yawa NDC, Mrasabedani Waba. Hey. Matia man say Kramophobia. When young Kramo Sam when ya dia ala pe kantra maame no Prusiga Mrasabedani honorable ne say hey when ya na ba ka ho asa ansem hunu no kon kaka o mayi Mrasabedafie na won ka no afere no hu no bia hwe no hu ana asem na wo ka no kan no peso ka bie na wo ka bie bisa honorable Ayamba Ladi
Way
NDC MP
Wash
Prusiga ne baka ho ni baka ho ne wofa baka ho a enko beka sa asem we wo mayimra so dwafie
ne ka na da ho do
yenti do kan de mra kakrakra yeko.
But I want us to all take solace in the Almighty Allah. There is nothing that happens that doesn't happen at the right time.
Way
This is what the Almighty Allah has ordained for them.
Hey.
Today is their day. No matter how, no matter what, no matter who was there, as what, even if we brought all the presidents of the world to sit there as ministers or whatsoever, once today is ordained for them to die, they will.
Hey.
And this is what has happened.
Hey.
Unless you don't believe in the oneness of God, unless you don't believe in the oneness of the Almighty Allah,
Hey.
it is not anybody who wanted them to die. There is no single officer there who wanted
Yanko wanya batan akwaba
Ne ka na da ho do
honorable Ayamba Ladi wanya batan
ne ka na da ho do
Allah. Nipa wu Allah. Obi abokro no Allah. Obi akum nipa Allah. Wallahi. Kramosum no say na eka.
Washe.
Akwaba metin kramofuo mu wankran.
Ne ka na da hodo.
Bono na metin kramofuo mu. Me namfofo ye nkramofuo. Ba ya wo we nkogina wo mayimra sebdwafie. Enkase de besia na asi no saa na esi. That is why I catch us. Still, we are in the stone age. As a country, we are still in the stone age.
You can we also be reset your mind.
And then this in Massachusetts, Omudin says still, you was stone age in Mua, but Jimmy Brennamu, and Omudin say, "Wo."
You can we also be reset your mind.
Who MP? Nama Busia ya koma Busia said and cry. Nama dianchen, Kodaso. Na saa na ese nti akosi jeso muwu ena omako but obi anya na dwuma yie MP wonwene huhu ye
ye kan we aso be reset your mind
obi anya na dwuma yie ye wo obi a preventable wo bi wo ho betimesi ano kwan ye fra wo bi kwase awuo ani ye fra wo bi atofo wo ye wo bi a wo prevent a eyeye wo ye onoma yi asa wo ne ma. Na won say ja wo ho se me koto jam wo wi a wo say de ala pen wa ye wo koto jam wo hu abani se ya wo digu pono so say ya fa asrafo omumra e wake no enye papa
hwene akasa
enye papa
Ne ka na da hodo.
hen no kre ba ko pe obi a we se sa de nkebesi but no enya proper. So big country say and she say any proper what data wo.
Ne ka na da hodo.
Because abani ban woni men krado do atifi omunya adwuma nyeye. And when me say be portal say ye be fa ye be recruit soldiers fo a enkra bebre beba. And this yaban was say over the next 3 years no omu project so beto recruit nipa 12,000 personnel.
Hey.
Next 3 years. Hey. Nipa 12,000. And nipa 12,000 so break kura down one. That means afibiano move for nipa 4,000.
You can we also be reset your mind.
Applicants and kwan 40,000.
Hey, Mahama.
And nipa 40,000 no. Ni afro mo say omonko e wake ho no. Ye afro mo so omonko ye dan.
You can we also be reset your mind.
Common sense. Ese catching and this yaban.
Sir.
Common sense. Ese catching Ghana forces.
Sir.
Sir, nipa ni tosun. Omonko ho.
Sir.
Yemreki numbers.
Sir.
Omomra in badges. We mu ba ne. Chinana we maba.
Ne ka na da
Adechena we
hodo.
maba.
Sir.
Adechena fufraba.
Sir.
We be kunya so man.
Wey boy.
We say bibi.
You can we also be reset your mind.
Akraba, we answer here.
Ne ka na da hodo.
Adia ya wom ni say some people are being paid to tank for the country.
Hey.
Ye twa manfo bi nom ka. So mo dia mo trans din. Mo dia ne say condition. Ya e betwa ho ka so man.
Hey.
Land cruisers e de be mamo ye twa so man. Mo dia ne say mo nye critical thinkers. Mo nwene ma wo man no. San crofo no we nyansafo no we hukruma. Omo a ye twa mo ka so mo nwene ma ye no. Nti omo dwene na saade we kosi ye stampede we kosi ye. Ai ti akonwa so
Kukurudu.
akwaba nya botre. Na ye fa asrafo a kokwam sembia ni ho.
Sir.
Kokwam asembia ni ho.
Hwene
Ye
akasa.
di kan
Ne ka na da hodo.
enti sankran sia wu na wo kasa yamma busua ne yakọ anya campaign platform so
adwin kase so da ya adwin keto antiase.
don't say MPP for no mo ye no kokwam ye ba ye bia mu say obia mra enti obia ba ye no o ma boso na stampede si na bi muteti o mo na so obia mra no na nka esa nhihye di akiri
adwin kase so da ya adwin keto antiase.
obia mra no na nka esa proper planning sasa nipa ni nyina no en wa kene betua continue o mo ana
You can we also be reset your mind.
sa nipa ni nyina no apedia eba eden ye be ye crowd control management ben ye de to apono so
Ne ka na da hodo.
kwase bro ni fra bi crowd control management Se nipa baabi a nipa pu ko nipa se ne wo ka no se MPP abante akonya so na mo ye ne kokwam ye ba na esi yembiem ti no mo be dɔɔso okay obi agye to mo ayade ye ma mo ni yo na mo ni yo no nipa ne dɔɔso a wo mo ba no enhyehyɛ ye proper ben de to apono so
Etumpan.
simple
Jenia kasa.
simple ane ade se kokwam no kra nya no kra asamasi no eye yamfonso a yenyentum say yam planning ye
ne ka na da ho do
soja adwuma no ye wo navy form ye wo air force form ye wo armed forces form ntomo amu bai obi be ko navy obi be ko air force obi be ko armed force enti ka pa titem yensa ene navy form ra ewak tena armed force form ra adetia air force form ra Ghana dia haye knee jack approach adia ya adia wo ho pa adia obisam say Ghana yem pain for den omo ya adia wo ho pa a knee jack approach
ne ka na da ho do
adia na sia wie ntimi yentu mirika ne make kansem me kekan yenko but amamfo ade share da fom
Etumpan.
ade share bi na afri mu no
ebusuafo video kwahwe a member of parliament address parliament akache parliament to say Aturenche me see ye Ghana vibrant youth ehwe wo nkwa as a result of Ghana Armed Force recruitment course so work no an sa emembu yi a mo hwe wo nkwa no enyame hyehye so mo bewu enti na mo na se anya ntum Ghana fo nyina anya ntum se owo no nyame na ahye se mo mre na aso no ekonom be kwa ya anya ntum a then it means ye nyame ndi ena se ye fa wiase amampani fo nyina bai be hye na se mo bewu ende krapa mo bewu. And these are the people Ghana folk elected or almost say omukojina parliament. Now omon form we hear some to aban na banye bibi emwa community no. Member of parliament catch Ghana for say okay so mukofo ni bewu because omon mre na so. Ghana, are we okay? Yeah, you okay? Pass or mine. Mami, I can confidently tell you say Nyankopon hyehyeye enisa wo we mu. Nyame has no hand in this death. I didn't know ani shadani amanya di nyame the religion echichiri Ghana for near the say adwini amayadwi we are not even thinking fast and far. I said the Nkopon boy say adwin fa. What my religion edi enimu kind of mode say adwin mode dada yen. Mami wa ban negligence into nkrofo ewu ye. Make way as a result of say some of the proper measures etoto wa and kasa wo could be averted. I am saying this because as a bank and as an institution, if you are going to do a recruitment in this magnitude, I was saying with the proper measures to her, I was also your risk assessment. Now what she said, what is the possibility say at rent him say bet in so what to me analyze you all these things now you put down measures a bit me vet you all these things to happen. But more as a bank and as a more as an institution, mine yet. International we see it. Now instead of say we can no crack catch Ghana for now what catch wa by say my nyama ye no because say want mama no crane when you kind into no what then try and leading ya say even when we are seeing bad right now we term it as good. If you are putting measures down, the proper measures and kakra wo win kemba. What it? And maybe two foot from Ghana for men can't Ghana for say the young, vibrant youth, have all the future ahead of them. May decide to say and then you call for recruitment. I'm meeting me join the Ghana Armed Force now. Every time in life, let me boost you in the future. No, me kwa who I am. Madam, and you mean I say what by negligence? Why? What by and anya ye? Measures been bit media to her. But digitalized and decentralized kind of saying recruitment online and the technology about you don't have to allow people to come in that magnitude before your recruitment. What the way you now to online, they will put the application online, all the process, all the documentation, then you will screen them. If there are aptitude tests to be done, all these things will be done online. Madam, all these things are done. So what is all this all this thing? What the measures to hope? All this information because when the number of people you want to take, so the numbers that they will kind of say apply to come, be scrutinizing. You can do all these things online for us to know, say if they qualified or not. By doing that, no, you will give them time, you give them dates, you give them serial number. All these things could be done digital. Then the day of the appointment, no, you divide the group of people. Say behind the 100 number, say 200 that. If it takes 1 week for all this process to go on, this is what you will do. So everybody will come according to their time. If you don't come on time and you lose your place, these are the things you are supposed to do. Did you put any measures down? Did you even put any medical kind of saying stance there? Did you put first aid stance at vital places? Did you have a place that higher exit point, a higher entry point? People are not supposed to come at certain time. Did you do all this thing? Did you give information? Did you use technology to echo the process to people online? No. Then you are telling Ghanaians to say, more negligence, any more incompetence, and are causing this damage to the people of Ghana and the youth at large. So you better come and apologize and rather to talk and spew, hey, kind of saying lies and trying, and that's how people say what is going on. And I said, what has gone on? No? And I said, what has happened? It is okay because it is God's ordained. It is never God's ordained. Nyankopon never ordained this, and he will never ordain such negligence way of acting. So don't blame God for everything. At the mama religion, at that day, with them with foot na mama and thinking right as people. I then kakra mekano no. Nyami sure biya.
Before you say anything, I want to tell you that you are not the only Muslim in this country. Okay? We are all Muslims. What she has done is uncalled for. The first thing you should ask yourself is that, where is she standing? She is standing in the Parliament of Ghana. She is a politician. She is put there as a leader to have foresight, to manage national security, to predict all of this, to solve problems. She is not a religious leader. If this is what a member of parliament is saying, then what should our imams say? What should our pastors say? What should a bereaved family say? It doesn't make sense. We know you love your party, but it is not every time you have to defend everything. Okay? These are politicians. They are put there to solve problems. They are put there to have foresight. They have all the resources they need. They have all the agencies they need. Security agencies, everybody, national security. Okay? This is easily predictable. And then we have leaders who sat down and watched this to happen for 6 innocent people to lose their lives. And you are busy defending this. You are busy defending this. Islam preaches you work hard to feed yourself. Why don't we sit down and Allah will feed us? Then every stealing politician steals us. It is by the will of God because it is in his sight that it is happening. Every joblessness we face, it is by the will of God. Every hunger, every problem we face in our lives, we should accept everything and sleep. We should just go to bed and God will feed us. It doesn't make sense. Where does your Islam teach you this? If she was a religious leader, we would have allowed that. But she's a member of parliament. She's supposed to, hold the right people accountable. And not, come and tell us that this is the will of Allah. So everything that happens in this country is the will of Allah. And so we should not hold politicians, accountable. We should not hold our leaders accountable.